Super Easy Drawings.
Hello everyone, and welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel.
Today we are going to draw and color Bluey and her family.
Let's start drawing.
To start, I'm going to draw Bluey. I start with her eyes. Then I draw her nose like this. And I draw her smiling mouth, the shape of her head, and her eyebrows too. Then I draw her ears in a triangle shape now. We continue with her body. I draw her arms. Then I draw her legs and her tail. Finally, I draw her patches around her body. Let's draw her sister, Bingo. I start with her eyes. Then I draw her nose like this, and her smiling mouth, and her eyebrows too. Let's draw the shape of her head. Then I draw her ears in a triangle shape. Now we continue with her body. She is holding her arms like this. I draw her patches around her body. Behind Bluey, I'm going to draw Bluey's dad. I start with his eyes. Then I draw his nose like this and his smiling mouth. Then I draw his ears in a triangle shape. Now we continue with his body. I draw his arms. Then I draw his legs and his tail. Finally, I draw his patches around his body. Last but not least, behind Bingo, I'm going to draw her mom. I start with her eyes. Then I draw her nose like this, and her smiling mouth, and her eyebrows too. I draw the shape of her head. Then I draw her ears in a triangle shape. I continue with her body, her arms. Then I draw her legs. Finally, I draw her patches around her body and her tail, and a heart in the middle. Amazing!
Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring.
First, I color Bluey. To start, I'm going to use cream around her nose and also on her inner ears. Red, black. Then I use dark blue around her eyes and her ears and patches. Then I use this blue marker. Finally, I use this light blue marker for her here. Now let's color Bingo. To color, I use this light cream color first. Dark brown. Red. Then I use this brown marker around her eyes and also for her ears. Finally, I use this light brown marker. Let's color Bandit. To start, I'm going to use cream around the nose. Black. Then I use dark blue around his eyes for his ears and patches. Then I use this blue marker. He has the same color fur as Bluey. Finally, I use this light blue marker here. Last but not least, I color Chili now. For coloring, I use this light cream color at first. dark brown, red. She has the same colored fur as Bingo. And also for her ears. I finally used this light brown marker. Awesome! What a cute family! I colored the heart with this red marker. I love it!
If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.